Hey there, it's Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And today I'm cooking up the best Brussels sprouts I have ever tasted. So let me show you exactly how I'm doing it. This is a Brussels sprout. If anyone doesn't know what it is, they grow on these big stalks. So they're kind of funny looking. They actually grow out of the stalks and there's all these little bulbs. But there's a little knobby end, so you have to cut this off when you make Brussels sprouts. So we're just going to cut off the knobby end, see? And then I'm going to cut it in half. And you've got two sides, and there is your Brussels sprout. So I already did a bunch of these. I mixed these with salt and with olive oil. And then I put them face down on a parchment-lined baking sheet. So they're going to get crispy. I'm going to cook these at 350 degrees for about 35 minutes. And the bottoms are going to get real crunchy. And after we do that, we're going to mix it with some great stuff that's over here. I have radicchio, I have shallots, and cashews. The cashews make it the piece de resistance. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to put it all together and I'll show you the finished product. Oh, and I forgot. This is cilantro. That's going to go in the mix as well. And the shallots, the nice thing is they're onions, but you don't cook them. So you get this pungent flavor and it just melts in your mouth. And we mix it with a little balsamic and a little more olive oil. Wow, they just pop. So come back, see the finished product, and I'll see you in a minute. Now we're ready to put the Brussels sprouts dish together. Oh, I am just so excited with how the Brussels sprouts turned out. Look how crunchy and brown they got. Oh, delish. So I'm going to throw these into a bowl. Here we go. And then I'm adding radicchio. I've cut this in long strips, just delicious. Look at the colors. I am so happy the way this turned out. Remember, maybe your mom didn't, but my mom said to be healthy, you have to really eat all the colors of the rainbow. So we've got all the colors of the rainbow in this. We're going to put in some shallots. Now these are raw shallots. They give it a little bite and they make it taste really, really good. So I'm throwing those in. And I have an interesting fact about the way restaurants make their Brussels sprouts. They usually fry them in their deep fat fryers. This is not good for you. It's bad oils and they're at really, really high heat, so it takes all the enzymes out of the Brussels sprouts. The way we did it by baking it on parchment paper is so much better. And then I'm going to put in some balsamic vinegar, and I use Lucinis. I love Lucinis. It's just pure, really, really good for you. From Italy. If you can get Lucinis, it's fabulous. And then to top this off, we're going to put in some cashews. And on the very top of it, I'm going to put some cilantro in. So just look at these Brussels sprouts. They are magnificent. Best Brussels sprouts I've ever had in my life. And then we're going to just top them with some cilantro just to make it really pretty. Look how delicious that is. Yum. Best Brussels sprouts ever. I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. I help you to rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and love, love, love your life. Try this. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and enjoy, and let me know how you enjoy them because they are so magnificent. See you soon. Love yourself.